Welcome to the forefront of innovation. This is Manufacturing X, the future of industrial technology.
This is not science fiction. This is how modern microchips are manufactured. Inside every modern laptop, smartphone, and AI server are microchips like these. Each one contains tens of billions of transistors. The smallest features are around 10 nanometers wide. And yet these structures must be manufactured reliably at massive industrial scale. So how is manufacturing something this small even possible? The key technology is geography. Think of it as a nanoscale photocopier. But EUV is only one part of a much larger manufacturing ecosystem. Let's look at how an EUV lithography system works. A single layer of a chip design is stored on a silicon wafer enters on a precision stage. EUV light transfers the pattern from mask to wafer. This repeats until the entire wafer is filled. One layer, one wafer, in about 18 seconds. Let's zoom in on what's being copied. Inside are roughly 30 billion transistors, a three-dimensional maze of devices and the smallest and most critical layers are patterned using EUV. Imagine copying text instead of transistors. Each stroke is only 13 nanometers wide. A page would be the size of a red blood cell. A chapter would fit on a grain of pollen. A single chip could contain entire libraries of text. Inside a modern semiconductor fab, hundreds of machines operate as one system. Wafers move in sealed carriers through automated transport systems. Every step is digitally tracked. In chip manufacturing, traceability is never optional. Microchips are built one layer at a time. First, a light-sensitive resist is applied. EUV light patterns the resist. The exposed resist is developed away. Other tools build the physical structures. This loop repeats around 80 times. Resolution is like the tip of a marker. Smaller features require shorter wavelengths. Longer wavelengths cannot resolve these details. This limit is defined by fundamental physics. Producing EUV light is one of the hardest parts. Microscopic tin droplets are fired at high speed. A first laser pulse flattens the droplet. A second pulse vaporizes it into plasma. Electron transitions emit 13 nanometer light. This happens 50,000 times per second. EUV light can only be reflected, not transmitted. Each mirror reflects only part of the light. The illuminator precisely shapes the light. Different layers require different illumination patterns. Wafer stages levitate magnetically. Sensors measure hundreds of alignment marks. A distortion map of the wafer is built. The system compensates in real time. Accuracy is better than 1 nanometer. EUV lithography is not just a machine. It is a convergence of science and engineering. It enables modern computing and artificial intelligence. This is how the smallest structures ever made are manufactured. This is Manufacturing X. Watch the next episode to explore what happens after lithography. Thanks for watching.